Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually write on a stream page right in our Google Classroom. Right, so you can right click on it and bring it up. But I have it open right here, so I'm going to click. Now I'm going to select the class. I'm going to select this one. Now as you can see, we're actually on the stream page right here. Notice it's a stream page, classwork, people, and grades. So stream page. So this is what we have right here. So what we can actually do on the stream page, we can come right up here. You can actually customize, you notice. Just to see, you can do that. You can also upload photo from the desktop right here. You can also select photo, and then you can actually save it. If you come like this, is select. Now these are what you're going to actually see up here. You notice general. You click on history. This is what will come up. Click on maths. This is what come up. So you can literally put that on it, and then come right here and just select it. Or you can come right up here and put art. Just the same. You can actually scroll up. I see some more. So if I click that, I can come right here and click select. Right. Notice it actually change. Click right this and click save. Notice the color change. You come right up here. You notice. You can go to Google Calendar. You can go to Drive folder. But notice when you come right here, you click. You notice you can actually turn off the class code. You can reset the class code. You notice you can copy the class code right here. You can also copy class invitation link. Just the same right here. So you can actually view. You notice the class and so forth. Definitely go back to the stream page. Definitely right here. So definitely if you notice right here, the profile name is, I know something right there. But if you notice some more stuff right here, if I come right here and I click, you notice right here something post, I can edit, I can copy the link. But if I come right here and click, you notice, show that I can send to our students, and then I can say, type something and say greetings, like that. Notice I write it. But not only that, when I scroll up, you notice, if I block it, I can bold it, I can italic it, I can underline it, can put a bullet towards it. Just the same. I can also add something from Drive. If I click right here, notice it take me right to my Drive in which I can upload from the computer. Recent upload from the computer. So far, here I can actually take it from my Drive. So just the same, I can come right here and I can close it. So far, close it so far. Yes, so if I come right here, notice I can click. This will take you to YouTube. You can put the URL right there and you press. You go. And if you notice, here you can literally, you notice, insert a file from right there. Drive from your computer. And if you notice right here, you can also add a link right here to it just the same. Right? So when you write this now, you can actually post it directly. Or you can come right here and post it. Yes, I can schedule it and all that. But if I click on post, what you will see happen, you notice, say greetings. So anybody in the class will actually get it. If I come right up here and say people, you notice nobody else is in the class so far. So I'm the only person. So if I add person, that's exactly what you're gonna do. But definitely, if you have this particular page and you want to add something from the desktop to it, you can also click right there, come to browse, just the same. Now when you come to browse, now these are some files, definitely. And also this is a video. And if I click on open, if you notice right here, notice the video upload so far. And if I click right here and the start the word video, just like that, I can literally post it just like that. If you notice, it's right here. So I can actually announce something to class. But what if I really want to get rid of it? I can simply come up here and come right here, delete, and there you go. So this is how you actually use the stream page right here in the Google Classroom. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.